Meme coins have outperformed the entire crypto market for 2024, and it doesn't look like this trend is going to change anytime soon. You see, when we're looking at the overall crypto market, we've seen a lot of volatility recently and a bit of a correction take place. Meme coins and the entire crypto market are down around 5 to 10%, but one token in particular that I have been loading up on for months, we've done countless videos on this project, has been Floki. We've done videos talking about Floki and their staking program. We've talked about when they launched TokenFi. We've talked about everything going on with this project, and despite the recent pullback in the market, despite seeing, 10-15% corrections in the last 24 hours, Floki is still up over 550% over the last year. And this is why it's important to invest in solid projects long term in the crypto space, because when everyone else is getting worried about major corrections and 10, 15, 20% drops, we are continuing to add to our positions. And like we did our video on Floki recently, we talked all about their staking when this came out. But now they have a few major developments that have come out recently that are crucial and make me even more bullish on this project right now, especially at the current price. So if we're looking at Floki right now, it's around a $1.4 to $1.5 billion market cap project. It's in the top 55 in terms of cryptos, in terms of market cap. If we're looking at Floki, recently they had just been listed on Kraken as a spot listing. And this is huge because it's making it easy to buy Floki in one of the most trusted US-based cryptocurrency exchanges with crypto and fiat. So you could buy Floki with EUR and USD on Kraken. Kraken has over 10 million users. They are a very trusted, in my opinion, tier 1 exchange, and it's an easy place for not only retail investors but also institutional investors to get into tokens. So it opens the door up for Floki even more to more and more investors. In addition to this, we've also seen that they also recently were listed and live on Bitstamp. Bitstamp is the world's longest running cryptocurrency exchange. They also added Floki EUR and Floki USD. So this is one of Europe's biggest centralized cryptocurrency exchanges. It's a highly regulated exchange with 50 licenses and registrations in key jurisdictions. So seeing that this company, which was recently acquired by Robinhood, has listed Floki in multiple pairings on, spot pairings, this is something that is very, very exciting. Again, opens the door up for millions and millions more people to have access to easily buying Floki. Other thing going on with Floki is we've also seen another major development recently was that their Floki trading bot public mainnet open beta is live. So Floki Trading Bot, the open beta, is officially live on mainnets of 3 biggest EVM blockchains, Ethereum, BNB, and Base blockchains. And this is something that is so important because the Floki Trading Bot is an innovative multi-chain Telegram on-chain trading bot designed to provide seamless trading experience. With just a few taps, you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies in seconds across different blockchains. And ultimately, they're trying to make it easier and more efficient for you to buy your favorite crypto tokens on chain without having to deal with, all of the different user experiences on decentralized exchanges. So the Floki Trading Bot, like I said, it has an open beta because it can be used by anyone without really any limitations. And the reason they went for this open beta is because, again, it just opens the door up to more and more people. They had a closed beta period during which hundreds of savvy users helped, test any bugs out, help redefine and refine the entire system. But now they had more confidence in the product. They've gotten all those bugs out, and that's why they've done this open beta. In addition to this, there's a few other major updates we need to go over. Their blockchain game Valhalla. So Valhalla, their blockchain game, has recently sponsored a Women's Asia Cup 2024. So it says, our relentless drive to bring Valhalla, our flagship play-to-earn MMORPG game, to the mainstream has reached a major milestone. They are excited to announce that Valhalla will be the associate sponsor for the Women's Asia Cricket Cup in 2024. Cricket's popularity is skyrocketing, over 2.5 billion fans aged 16 to 69 worldwide. And this is something that is so important because it's going to help like Valhalla, the play-to-earn game developed by Floki. It's going to help get exposure to potentially that 2.5 billion fans that play cricket, enjoy playing cricket, and like to watch cricket. So this is something that is so important in my opinion, and you can see all about this in their recent blog post. In addition to this with Valhalla, we've also seen that with Valhalla, they partnered with India's tour of Sri Lanka to reach an additional 220 million viewers. It says Floki is proud to announce that Valhalla, their game, is stepping into the spotlight as the associate sponsor for India's tour of Sri Lanka 2024. Again, all of these major partnerships are something that are unheard of for a meme coin. Something that started off as a meme coin, which was Floki, has become so much more than that, with games, with wallets, with products all across the board, and having all these major developments just in the last month have made me want to double down on my position and why I am so excited about it. We've talked about this project for really ever since it came out. We've talked about it for years. We've done videos when they were staking, like when they released staking. We've done videos when they rolled out TokenFi. And I just think they're really changing the game for a lot in the crypto space, not just for meme coins, but for real world utility, for wallets, for sponsors. They're getting more exposure to crypto. That's something that I really like about it. One of the two things I want to go over with Floki before we touch on TokenFi is going to be that Floki is now officially the world's biggest play to earn cryptocurrency. So as of July 19th, Floki was officially the world's largest play to earn crypto according to CoinMarketCap. And if you look at it right here, you could see this is really as a result of Valhalla, Floki's NFT metaverse game, which is set to launch on mainnet later this year. It's helped to position Floki as one of the leaders in the play to earn category. You can see it's above Notcoin, above Axie Infinity, above Gala, and like most people think of Floki just as a meme coin, but it's really a lot more than that. And final thing is going to be with the Gecko terminal. So Gecko terminal recently came out and integrated the logo of Floki's FlokiFi locker protocol. And this is something that is very important because Gecko terminal attracts 65.6 million visits in just the first half of this year, over 130 million yearly visits. So this integration is going to provide a massive boost, a lot more attention, a lot more eyeballs, and potentially hundreds of millions of people to see Floki, see FlokiFi brand, and potentially start using the product. So this is something that is, again, just continuing to grow the brand, get more and more people involved. Now let's switch gears and talk a little bit about TokenFi, because we've done countless videos on TokenFi as well. TokenFi, they brand themselves as the ultimate crypto and RWA tokenization platform. It was created by the team at Floki, and we've done countless videos on this project. But TokenFi is something that is particularly exciting right now because recently they became an official member of the ERC 3643 Association. This is codenamed T-Rex, Token for Regulated Exchanges, and is the token protocol for regulated tokenization of real-world assets. It's an open source protocol that has tokenized $28 billion plus in assets, and tokens acceptance in the association further legitimizes TokenFi as a key RWA player. If you guys haven't seen about RWA, BlackRock, major institutions, and major investors have continuously talked about the importance of RWA. And as a result of this, it's very, very exciting to see that TokenFi is being identified and talked about as one of the top players in this space. You can see they talk about tokenization, how they give the users all that they need to create a token or tokenize a real-world asset in a simple platform. We've done an entire breakdown of how to use this platform, and if you haven't seen that video already, I'll link it down below. But Floki is changing the game, not just for meme coins, not just for play-to-earn games, not just for RWA, but for a lot more in the crypto space. And that is why I've been doubling down on it after this recent correction we've seen, because if we look at the last 24 hours, it's down 10%, but the entire market's down 10 to 15%. But if you're looking at it over the last year, it's up over 550%. And I think it easily can still do another 7x from where we're currently at, very conservatively, as long as we continue to see the bull market conditions for crypto.